Welcome back. Before we write a single line of Terraform, we need structure. Think about any financial bank. For this course, we are using ABSA as an example. So think about ABSA in the real world: retail banking, corporate banking, treasury, technology, compliance. Each division has its own rules, its own budget, its own team. AWS Organizations works the same way. OUs, organizational units, are those divisions inside AWS. So, what is an OU? An organizational unit is a container. By itself, it does nothing. But every AWS account you put inside it inherits its rules. Every SCP, service control policy, you attach to it applies automatically. No exceptions, no opt out. That is governance. For this project, ABSA has four top level OUs: production, core banking workloads, the strictest SCPs, no public S3 buckets, approved regions only, mandatory encryption. Development: engineers build and test here. We attach a special SCP that blocks expensive EC2 instances, so a developer cannot accidentally launch a machine that costs 50,000 Rand a month. That would be a bad day. Staging: the final gate before go live, mirrors production exactly. QA tests here, performance testing happens here, compliance validation happens here. Shared services: this hosts the log archive account, the audit account, security tooling that every other OU depends on, managed by the Cloud Center of Excellence. Now look at the hierarchy. Every AWS organization has exactly one root. All OUs and accounts sit beneath it. Inside production, we nest two more OUs: HR systems and finance systems. Why? Because HR data and finance data carry different legal obligations. POPIA, labor law, the Financial Sector Regulation Act, IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. Each gets its own OU. Each can have its own SCPs. The finance OU might need FEPS 1402 encryption, Federal Information Processing Standards. HR does not. By nesting them inside production, they inherit the production SCPs automatically. But we can add more SCPs just to finance if we need to. Here is the most important lesson in this entire course: governance before infrastructure. Why OUs come first? If you build VPCs before SCPs, your resources exist outside policy. Even briefly, that is a compliance violation. By building OUs and SCPs first, every resource created from day one is already governed. After this code runs, ABSA has the skeleton, the containers. No accounts yet, no compute, no networking, just the rooms. Week 2 starts filling them. That is cloud architecture. Every AWS organization has exactly one root. All OUs and all accounts sit beneath it. When you see root0.id in Terraform, that is pointing to this single container. It is the anchor for everything. Directly under root, the four OUs we just discussed.